Currently, when Americans are injured by any sort of defective product, they have a remedy. In most states, they can sue the manufacturer of the product in a state court. Under a radical legal doctrine being advocated by the pharmaceutical and device manufacturers and the Food and Drug Administration under the Bush administration, this would change. Patients hurt by defective drugs and medical devices would no longer have the ability to seek compensation for their injuries. This doctrine is known as preemption. The result is that one of the most powerful incentives for safety, the threat of liability, would vanish. Even if a company withholds information about potentially fatal defects from physicians, patients, and the FDA, it is still going to be immune from liability for its actions. Some drug and device companies have hidden and manipulated important safety data. Some have failed to report serious adverse events, and some have failed to disclose even known defects. If manufacturers face no liability, all the financial incentives will point them in the wrong direction, and these abusive practices will multiply. Without the risk of liability, companies would have little incentive to give FDA timely reports about these dangers. Patients who are injured by approved drugs and devices deserve compensation to help them deal with their permanent disabilities, their inability to work, and their costly medical procedures. But the only way patients can obtain compensation is to bring a lawsuit under state laws.